Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install Thinkorswim Desktop on your Mac step by step. Thinkorswim is a powerful trading platform from Charles Schwab, and it's widely used for trading stocks, options, futures, and Forex. Let's get started. First, open your favorite browser on your Mac. You can use Safari, Google Chrome, or Brave. Any of them will work. In the search bar, type Thinkorswim Desktop Download and press Enter. Make sure you click on the official website from Charles Schwab. I'll also leave the direct link in the video description below. Once you're on the Thinkorswim page, scroll down to the section that says Download Thinkorswim Desktop for Mac Users. Look for the Install Thinkorswim button and click on it. The download should start immediately. The time it takes will depend on your internet connection speed. Wait for the file to finish downloading. Once the download is complete, open your Downloads folder and double-click the Thinkorswim installer file. A new window will appear with the Thinkorswim installer. Double-click the installer icon to begin the installation process. If you see a security message saying the app was downloaded from the internet, simply click Open. The installer will now start preparing the application. This may take a few seconds. Next, select your preferred language and click OK, then click Next. You'll be asked to choose between Schwab or Thinkorswim Guest Pass. Select the option you prefer and click Next. Accept the license agreement and click Next again. Continue clicking Next through the remaining steps to complete the setup. The installation process will take a few moments. Once the installation is complete, click Finish. You can now close the installer window and move the installer file to the trash. Thinkorswim should launch automatically. On the login screen, enter your brokerage account credentials from Charles Schwab. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one on the official website before logging in. You can also use the Guest Pass option if available. After logging in, the platform may take a few minutes to load for the first time. And that's it. You've successfully downloaded and installed Thinkorswim Desktop on your Mac. Now you can start analyzing charts, placing trades, and customizing your workspace directly from your Mac. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more simple, step-by-step tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.